In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to use icons in career mode FC26. So in FC26 career mode, you can now play as an icon once again, and this year they have made it even better. When you head into the player career section, you'll find a few icons you can choose from, including Fernando Torres, Pichion, Kluivert and Veron. These are temporary icons that rotate over time. Now there is also a permanent icon, which is David Beckham. To unlock Beckham, you will need to progress through the FC26 season pass and reach certain levels. He is unlocked by completing objectives and earning seasonal points across all game modes. Once you unlocked him, you will be able to use Beckham in both player career mode and manager career mode. Since the other icons are temporary, it's a good idea to create a save as soon as you start playing with one of them. For example, if you begin a career with Veron, save it immediately so you can come back to it later even if the icons rotate out. You can also create multiple saves for different icons to try out various teams or career paths. Over time, EA will refresh the available icons, so keep an eye out for updates and new players being added. That's how you can play and unlock icons like Beckham in FC26 career mode. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.